नमस्कार मित्रांनो, आपण मागील व्हिडिओमध्ये वर्ग 8, 9, 10 च्या सेतू टेस्ट 1 सोडवलेले आहे। त्या टेस्टची लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन मध्ये दिलेली आहे, ते व्हिडिओ अवश्य पहा। तर चला आज आपण वर्ग 10 ची सब्जेक्ट सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी ब्रिज टेस्ट सेकंड ही सोडवणार आहोत। Here some instruction are given. Read carefully all the instruction and we have to solve this question paper. Question number 1. Solve the following question. Any 5, it have 5 mark. First question is, what is central nervous system made of? And the answer is, central nervous system is made up of brain and spinal cord. Second question, what is biogeochemical cycle? And the answer of this question is, the cyclic flow of nutrient within an ecosystem is called biogeochemical cycle. Question 3. Write correlation. Producer have correlation with autotroph and predator we have to write its correlation, and its correlation is heterotroph. The answer of this question is heterotrophs. Question 4. Write the name of plant in the picture and what kind of movement takes place in this plant. First, we have to observe that plant and then write the answer. The answer is, the name of plant in the picture is mimosa, that is touch me not plant. Growth, irrelevant, movement, that is seismonostic movement takes place in this plant. Question 5. Take the odd term out. Estrogen, insulin, pancreas, oxytocin. And the answer is pancreas. Pancreas is a gland while others are hormones. Question 6. Complete the diagram of type of nerve cell are given below. There are some one type of nerves are given, sensory nerve. We have to write other two's name, and the name are association neuron and motor neuron. And the answer is association neuron and motor neuron. Question 6. Define carbon cycle. Answer, the circulation and recycling of carbon from the atmosphere to living organism and after their death back to the atmosphere is called the carbon cycle. Question number 2. Write the answer of following question. Any 5, it have 10 marks. First question is, differentiate between gaseous cycle and sedimentary cycle. Gaseous cycle, sedimentary cycle. First point of gaseous cycle is, gaseous cycle are the cycle in which the main reservoir of the element is air or water. And the first differentiation point of sedimentary cycle is, sedimentary cycle are the cycle in which the main reservoir of element is earth crust. Second point, gaseous cycle are fast, sedimentary cycle are slow. Third point, circulation is main through the atmosphere and hydrosphere. Circulation is main through the lithosphere. Fourth point is of example, nitrogen cycle, oxygen cycle are the example of gaseous cycle, and iron cycle, phosphorus cycle are the example of sedimentary cycle. Question 2. Write whether the following statements are correct or incorrect. Question number 1. Endocrine gland are also called ductless gland, and answer is correct. Question B. What have plant have nervous system? Answer is incorrect. Question 3. Look at the diagram given below and answer the following question. First, look the diagram. And first question, name the given diagram. Answer is, The given diagram is of central nervous system showing brain and spinal cord. Brain and spinal cord. Question B. Where is the spinal cord located? The answer of this question is spinal cord located within vertebral column. Question 4. Complete the table given below. This table have given gland and their hormone. First gland is parathyroid gland and hormone of this gland is parathormones. Second gland is ovary and its hormone is estrogen. Question 5. Write the scientific reason. Energy flow through an ecosystem is one way, and the answer of this question is here. The sun is the most important source of energy in ecosystem. Green plant of ecosystem stores some of the solar energy in the form of food. This energy pass on one trophic level to the next. In each trophic level, some amount of energy lost in the form of heat. However, no part of the energy ever return to the sun, hence energy flow through an ecosystem is one way. Question number 6. Write the example of two reflex action we have experienced. And first example is closing of eyes when a bright light hits our eyes. And second example is sudden withdrawing hands or legs when they touch something very hot or very cold surface. And question 7. Fill in the blank in figure given below. First of all, this diagram showing the trophic level, and we have two blanks. First blank, here plants are given. First blank, here plants are given at the bottom, and the answer of these are the producer. And second blank, carnivores, and they show the second trophic level of periodic table or trophic level. By this way, we completed class 10th Science and Technology Part 2 Test 2 of Bridge course.